If you're trying to land more clients and make more money as a freelance copywriter only using this one strategy, you're doing it wrong. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter and freelance copywriting coach. I've generated more than $1 million inside my business as a sales copywriter in the last several years. And if you're only using cold outreach to land clients, you're doing it wrong. Sorry. Can cold outreach work? Yes, it can. People use it all the time. But if it's the only source of prospecting that you're using right now, let me put it this way. Cold prospecting and the push to be hitting up people in the DMs and sending cold emails as a way to land clients, the only way to land clients as you get started, is a surefire recipe for discouragement, frustration, stress, and trauma, like freelance copywriter trauma. I mean, what's more discouraging than sending out 100 messages and never even having most of them hit the inbox or the primary messages folder in the DMs? It's slow, it's frustrating, and many freelance copywriters who use this as their only source of lead generation and prospecting give up before they even have a chance to gain traction in their business. What do I suggest instead? Not suggesting that you throw out cold prospecting completely. Yes, make it a part of your strategy, but only a part. Make sure you're mixing in networking, community, social media visibility, optimizing your social profiles, asking for testimonials and referrals from people you've written for before. Trust me, relationship builds bridges that cold outreach can't. Follow me for more tips on relationship building client attraction strategies.